Ever wondered how to make a delicious mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken breast? Welcome to a culinary adventure where we're going to create a simple yet impressive dish. Imagine the earthy flavors of mushrooms, the fresh tang of spinach, all nestled within a succulent chicken breast. Our key ingredients: chicken breasts, mushrooms, spinach, a hint of cheese, a drizzle of olive oil, a touch of garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stick around to discover how to bring this mouth-watering dish to life. First, it's time to prep our chicken breasts. Picture this: 2 plump, fresh chicken breasts, ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. The first step: butterflying. And no, we're not turning our chicken into beautiful insects. Butterflying simply means slicing the chicken horizontally, almost but not all the way through, then opening it up like a book, leaving us with a perfectly thin and even piece of meat. Now let's shift gears to our stuffing. Grab a handful of earthy mushrooms and some vibrant spinach leaves. Sauté these in a pan with a splash of olive oil and a hint of garlic. This is where the magic happens. The mushrooms release their juices, the spinach wilts just so, and the garlic infuses it all with a mouth-watering aroma. Season it with a sprinkle of salt and a crack of pepper, and then set it aside to cool. Now, with our chicken prepped and our filling ready, we're set for the next step. Now comes the fun part: stuffing the chicken. With your beautifully butterflied chicken breasts laid out, we're ready to take this recipe to the next level. First off, you'll want to grab those sautéed mushrooms that should be cool by now. Spoon a generous amount onto 1/2 of each chicken breast. Don't be shy. The mushrooms are the star of this stuffing, so make sure they're front and center. Next, layer on the spinach. This leafy green not only adds a pop of color but also a wealth of nutrients, making this dish as healthy as it is delicious. Again, don't hold back. We're trying to pack as much flavor into these chicken breasts as we can. Now for the pièce de résistance, the cheese. Sprinkle a good measure of your chosen cheese over the mushrooms and spinach. The cheese will melt beautifully in the oven, binding all the stuffing ingredients together and creating a gooey, irresistible center for your chicken. Once your chicken breasts are loaded up with stuffing, it's time to secure the deal. Using toothpicks, pin the open edge of each chicken breast to the other side, creating a neat pocket that holds all the goodness inside. With your chicken prepped and ready, it's time to pop it into a preheated oven. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is bubbly and golden. Our stuffed chicken breasts are now baking to perfection. Just a few more minutes and you'll be ready to serve a meal that's sure to impress. Our mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken breast is ready to serve. Feast your eyes on this culinary masterpiece, the perfect balance of protein and greens. Imagine slicing into it to reveal the warm, cheesy filling, the sautéed mushrooms and spinach lending their earthy flavors to the succulent chicken. Now let's talk about what to pair with this dish. A fresh, crisp salad would work wonders, adding a refreshing contrast to the rich, hearty chicken. Or perhaps some roasted vegetables, their caramelized edges bringing out the savory notes of the stuffed chicken. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. We encourage you to try this recipe and experience the symphony of flavors for yourself. Don't be shy to experiment with different stuffings or sides. After all, cooking is an art, and you're the artist. There you have it, a delicious mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken breast. A meal that's not just filling but also brimming with flavors. Can't wait to see how yours turns out.